Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download HBO Max app and fix playback issues. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download the HBO Max app, first, unlock your. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, open the App Store. If you're on an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type HBO Max and press enter. Locate the HBO Max app in the search results. Tap on the HBO Max app icon to access the app page. Now, look for the Install or Get button and tap it. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Once installed, locate the HBO Max app on your device. Tap to open the application. Log in with your HBO Max account credentials. If you experience playback issues, start by ensuring your internet connection is stable. Check if other devices on the same network can stream content without issue. If your internet is functioning correctly, try closing the HBO Max app completely. Restart the app by tapping the app icon again. If issues persist, reboot your device by turning it off and then back on. After your device powers up, reopen the HBO Max app. If you still encounter playback issues, check for app updates in your App Store. Update the app if an update is available. If the problems continue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the HBO Max app. To do this, press and hold the HBO Max app icon and select Uninstall or Remove. Open the app again and log in to your account. Your playback issues should now be resolved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.